Let's imagine I'm starting up today. What kind of mistakes I should not be making?
The first mistake that you should not make is not cloud your mind with doubts. When you're starting, your mind should be full of ideas, excitement, enthusiasm, glimpse, instead of clouding it with fear of failure, fear of not making it big, fear of coming short.
Yeah.
So that's the first thing that you should avoid. The second thing that you should avoid is spending too much time between your thought to realization. Because what happens is that the initial euphoria that you get with an idea, वो धीरे धीरे fizzle out होता रहता है. And like my ex-boss and mentor would always say that one thing that sets apart one individual from another are 4 things. One is an original idea, but everyone can come up with an original idea. Like every day, every minute, we're thinking of an original idea. The second step is execution. The time for execution is crucial because आप जितना delay करोगे वो fizzle out हो रहा है, वो जा रहा है. The third is detailing.
Okay.
Meticulous. Break it down. कि इसके लिए, because the more you break it down, the more detailed your approach will be, the more systematic your approach will be. And the fourth thing is honesty. Honesty with yourself. Because if you start cutting corners with yourself, you're already setting the grounds for cutting corners for nothing. So if you're able to take care of the 4 things, it gives you the speed and the tool to birth an original idea. If I have to simplify it, I would say thought to action. Don't take too much time because an idea is like a sampling. You have to water it. If you water it too less, it will never germinate. If you water it too much, it will die out. You have to water it just right. The second thing is the minute you've thought of an idea, नाम सोच. और आज के डेट में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया एंड वेबसाइट्स इतने क्राउडेड हो गए हैं कि बिफोर यू रियलाइज इट समबडी एल्स हैज थॉट इट. एंड ये मैंने गलती किया था क्योंकि I always knew I wanted to call my business Nimai.
Okay.
Why Nimai? We'll have to do another podcast. But Nimai is a very, very important, Nimai is my talisman. So I already knew in 2005 कि लाइफ में मैं कुछ करूँगी, उसका नाम निमाई होगा. पर जैसे मुझे पता था कि मैं ज्वेलरी में घुस रही हूँ, निमाई करने वाली हूँ, मुझे उसी वक्त जाके ना वेबसाइट ब्लॉक कर देना चाहिए था बिकॉज nimai.com was available. नहीं किया मैंने. 3 months के बाद क्या चला गया. So then Nimai से बन गया Shop Nimai. So website पे it was shopnimai.com. .com भी चला गया फिर अब shopnimai.in. We'll come to that later on. So first step जैसे नाम सोच लिया, वेबसाइट जाओ बुक करो, सोशल मीडिया जाओ बुक करो, लिंक्डइन जाओ बुक करो, एनी मार्केटिंग चैनल्स विद द नेम इज इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लीज बुक. कि आपने सेकेंड मिस्टेक मत करो कि दूसरे ये कर रहे ना मैं भी करूँगी बिकॉज you can copy the product, but you can never copy the mind behind the product. So don't do it because somebody else is doing it. You know, put on your blinkers, create that spacing. ये मुझे करना है मैं.
And I think that's what you did in your journey, right?
Yeah. The third thing, अपना idea सबके साथ जाके share मत करो. Just have 1 or 2 really special people who you look up to, who you believe in. Reach out to them. I'll tell you why. Not because somebody else ले लेगा idea, is because you will have too many voices. You already have a confused space that you're working with because you're still trying. And when you have too many outside voices like नहीं कर सकते, you're knowingly and unknowingly na
Cutting corners. Ideas,
yeah.
right?
So, you know, like work with somebody who will be a bidder, who will give you enthusiasm but will also give you a little bit of reality check कि वो विजन ना अपने हेड में बहुत स्ट्रांग करना जरूरी है बिकॉज जब तक आपके हेड में स्ट्रांग नहीं होगा ना, आप 4 लोगों के पास जाओगे, आप 4 जगह ट्वीक करोगे. इट्स बिकॉज आपका कॉन्टिनेंट प्लेस नहीं है. एंड दैट इज़ वाई से रिसर्च बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जैसे मेरे केस पे ये था कि जब मैं निमाई का थॉट लेकर जा रही थी, सबने बोला फैशन ज्वेलरी एंड दैट टू द काइंड ऑफ स्टफ दैट यू वांट टू डू. बॉम्बे एंड बैंगलोर इज द मार्केट. व्हाई यू डूइंग दिल्ली इज सो गोल्ड हेवी and the segment of society, whatever that you are in,
right,
you will not be able to survive. It's too artisanal, it's too artistic. And then when I set up Nimai, I was still nervous because everyone around me was saying, oh, it's beautiful jewelry, but pricing was not sasta because people were used to paying Janpat pricing or wholesale market pricing where
right,
experimental jewelry still found some way people are not used to wearing designer kind of pricing. And I still remember I used to have this designer called Malika, and she did this outlandish body harnesses. And I was setting up the body harness, and this bhabhi, sister-in-law, walked into the store, looked at each other. This is बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है साड़ी के साथ पहनेंगे. And I looked at them. They were non-target audience, and they said, "ठीक है, pack कर." And those two body harnesses were about 15,000 each.
Oh.
And this is 2013. My retail floor is not open. I'm not launched. मैं set up कर रही हूँ. And they packed, and I looked at it, and I called up my ex-husband. I said, "Dude, Nimai is here to stay and slay."
Worked, right?
But because I believed in myself, before waiting for others to voice my voice, I first believed in my conviction. वो बहुत important होता है. Fourth mistake that one should avoid is being married to your thought. You should always have the flexibility to evolve and improvise. Because that is very important. Because when you're in that euphoria of building something, and while आप ज़िद्दी भी बन गए, resilient भी बन गए, you're married to your thought भी बन गए, but you should never lose sight of reality. Every time that you have 3 right things, probably there are 4 wrong things that you will be doing. You should be introspective enough to say, ये गलत है, tweak करते हैं, ये tweak करते हैं. तब जिद नहीं करना होता, तब right time पे tweak करो, improvise करो, and keep shaping the product basis what people are seeing of the product. So even with Nimai, when I started Nimai, I didn't want to keep Indian jewelry. I did not keep wedding jewelry. I did not keep Indian jewelry because I felt that Indian jewelry was a very crowded space. I said, मुझे चांद बाली नहीं रखना है. I was in Shapoorji that time. It was a wedding market. Customer आते थे कि चांद बाली चाहिए. I said, no, we contemporary Indian jewelry, we don't keep it. And my team members would say, कि Pooja, what are you doing? You're turning away business. I said, no, we have to be very married to our thing. But then I said, no, one second, what am I doing? Why am I shying away? So then in 2015, I said, okay, we will keep Indian jewelry, but the Indian jewelry will also be our appetite. Okay. So we keep Chand Balis, but our Chand Bali is also different. There's still a pronounced design element to it. So what I was able to do is, I was able to see that gap, see the problem, but tweak it, keeping my ethos in mind. Now Nimai has everything. आप शादी के लिए जाओ, but आप फिर भी अलग से चमकोगे because we'll dress you up differently, right?
Yes.
We'll still have the Navratans, but the Navratan will be sent differently. We're still, designed. And I think the last one more. Don't wait for the perfect moment because हम perfectionists भी बन जाते हैं ना. कि वो perfect moment नहीं.
Do it.
Do it. Just do it.
Just shoot.
Just do it.
Yeah. Thank you for watching my clips. If you want more clips like this, please follow my channel, BS Miss India Clips.